Hi, in the last class we have discussed about why segmentation is required, but today we are going to discuss about how to do the segmentations. Now I am going to show you the mind map where I have listed down how to do the segmentations. How to do the segmentation? The first one is ask the right questions. Second one is what do you struggle with? Third one is what is your goal? And the fourth one is what are you interested in? The first one is ask the right question. How to ask the right question? First one is drop down. Second one is survey in welcome page. And third one is email links. Drop down. In the email marketing tools, in the customer section, you can create the custom fields. That should be a drop down. In the drop down field you can select the customer business type. So whenever customers come in and he can select the customer, like customer section, they see that what type of business you are providing. Whenever he select that business type, then definitely you can create the content based on the customer time and send to your target customer. So in this way also you can ask the question. Second one is survey in welcome page. If you have any welcome page, you can create the survey 2 to 3 question or 3 to 5 question you can ask. Whenever they are submit the form, definitely that some information you are going to the information you are going to save into the email marketing tools. So whenever you are creating the content or creating the sequence, you can send the same content to your target audience. So in this way you can ask the questions also. Third one is email links. You can create the multiple email links and you can ask what type of questions you can create, and based on the business, based on the solutions, you can create the multiple questions and send to your subscribers. It should be you can ask the questions whenever they are submit the form. You can save it in your email marketing tools, then you can send to your target audience. So in this way you can ask a question. Second one is what do you struggle with? You can create the custom fields, and in the custom fields you can ask what type of struggle you are doing or you are facing, so that customers can fill up that form. If you are assigning the struggle or any particular needs to your customers, then whenever they submit the form, then definitely that information is going to set in your email marketing tools. Then you can create the email content and you can send to your subscriber based on the customer interest, what they struggle with or what is their goal. What is their goal? The next one is what is your goal? So you can create the custom fields based on the goal and you can create the content and send to your subscriber. The last one is what is you interested in? That also you can create the custom fields and you can send what is their interest, and based on their interest you can create the email content and send to your subscriber. In that case you can boost your sale and the customer engagement is also increased. Now I am going to show you in the email marketing tools how to create the segmentation. So this is the email marketing tools, that is ActiveCampaign, and here there is a customer, and in the customer I have created a product type, specific product and struggle. So whenever I am creating the form, suppose I have a landing page. In the landing page I have a drop down product type and I have a specific product drop down. I have a struggle with text area, text box, whatever, it's a text field. So whenever I am putting over there and I am sending to my target audience, to the customers, whenever the customers comes in and into the form and they are going to fill up, whenever they are going to fill up with product type, what is the product, specific product and struggle, whenever they are submitting, that information is going to display in my ActiveCampaign tools. That means in my email marketing tools. Whenever I am getting this information, so based on this product type, specific product and struggle, anyone you can create. Suppose you can create the struggle with, based on the struggle with also you can create the content and you can create the campaign and you can send to your target customers. So definitely whenever they are going, whenever you are creating this type of content based on their interest, based on their needs, you can get more engagement with your subscribers or to your target audience. So definitely whenever they see your content relevant to their needs, definitely you get more sales. So this is all about segmentations. If you have any questions related to the segmentation, you can ask me, you can send an email to me. So definitely I'll be helping you to clear your doubts. So this is it for now. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.